Today we'll talk about the writing rubric for ESL Level 7, and this is for continuing education at the San Diego Community College District. So we have a writing rubric. I'm going to switch to the actual document here. And as you can see, the total possible points are 25. And to pass this writing assignment, you will need 18 points or 70%. So there are three categories. The content and organization, the maximum points are 12. Grammar and mechanics, the maximum points are 10. And then format, neatness, legibility, 3 points. So the task is using a process approach, and a process approach means writing a first draft, getting input from your other classmates or your instructor, and then revising your writing assignment and submitting a second draft or a final draft. Students will write a 4 or 5 paragraph essay or report on a non-personal topic partially related to research or readings as assigned by the instructor. So the writing process. Number 1, students will write 1 or more drafts of the essay or report. Number 2, after edits and input on content, structure, and format, students revise the essay or report. 3, students submit the final draft for scoring. So, like I said earlier, the total possible points are 25. You need 18 points to pass. There are 3 sections: content, grammar, and format. So if we look at content, the highest possible points are 12. So your essay or report will address the topic, is well organized, and has a strong thesis statement. There are 4 to 5 paragraphs, and each paragraph has a clear topic sentence and supporting sentences with concrete examples. There are appropriate transition words and a relevant concluding paragraph. The ideas or vocabulary show some richness of expression, and the essay shows clear evidence of research and or good comprehension of the reading. Okay, this reviews content, maximum points. Then we have grammar, maximum 10 points. So to earn 10 points in your report, there are few or no grammatical errors. Sentence structure is varied. There are few or no errors in spelling, capitalization, and punctuation. And we move on to format. The essay form, for example, title, indentation, margins, is correct. Handwriting is neat and legible. If typed, standard font and double spacing is used. So in our case, students will type the report. Thank you very much, and happy writing.